Hello student, today I will discuss exercise 18.2 question number 9. Question number 9 say a river 1.5 meter deep and 30 meter wide each flow at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. Find the volume of water that run into sea per minute. Now question number 9 is given here. Question number 9 solution. Question number 9, the depth of river given that river या डेप्थ ऑफ रिवर ऐसे लिखिए, डेप्थ ऑफ रिवर इज इक्वल टू 1.5 मीटर एंड विड्थ ऑफ द या वाइड ऑफ द रिवर इज इक्वल टू 30 मीटर एंड रेट of flow water is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. This data is given here. Now then we find the volume of water. Now given that rate of flow of water is 3 kilometer, that implies a rate of water flow in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer. या फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं आप, लिखने की स्टाइल अगर चेंज करें तो फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर इन 1 आवर, दैट इम्प्लाइज फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर इन 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 300 किलोमीटर को अगर हम करें तो ये हो गया 3000 मीटर. नाउ दैट इम्प्लाइज फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर इन 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 3000 अपॉन 60. नाउ कैंसिल आउट 50 मीटर. Now this is the length of water flowing in 1 minute. That is length of water river in 1 minute is equal to 60 meter. Now volume of water run in 1 minute. Now volume of water run in 1 minute is equal to this value is 1.5 into 30 into 50. Now that 2250 meter cube. This is the required answer. Now note down this is the volume. Now next question number 10. In a shower 5 centimeter of rainfall, Find the volume of water that fall on 2 hectare on the ground. Given question number 10. This is the important question. Question number 10. Given that area of ground, एरिया ऑफ लैंड या एरिया ऑफ ग्राउंड, जो भी आप कहना चाहें, एरिया ऑफ ग्राउंड इज इक्वल टू 2 हेक्टेयर एंड हाइट इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. रेनफॉल इन 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो आपको कह रहा है कि कितने वॉल्यूम का आपको क्या करना है, पानी आता हुआ. जैसे अगर हम बात करें, ये हमारा एक क्या है, फील्ड है, और इसमें ये 5 सेंटीमीटर की क्या हुई, वर्षा हुई. जैसे ये मतलब ये जो दूरी है आपकी ना, ये वाली 5 इतनी, तो कुल कितना वॉल्यूम की बारिश हुई. ठीक, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, और ये एरिया जो बेस है इसका फील्ड 2 हेक्टेयर का है. तो कुल कितना वाटर, कितने वॉल्यूम का वाटर आपका फॉल हुआ, रेनफॉल हुआ, तो ये पता करना है. नाउ तो सिंस 1 हेक्टेयर इज इक्वल टू 10,000 मीटर cube, therefore 2 hectare area is equal to 20,000 meter cube. Now area is meter square. Now volume of water in ground is equal to area of base into height. Area of base into height. Now area of base is equal to 20,000 meter square into 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Now this is value 200 into 5 equal to 1,000 meter cube. This is the required answer. Now question number 11. If 2 cube each of side 6 centimeter are joined face to face, then find the volume of resulting cube. Given 2 cube whose side is 6 centimeter. This is the cube, and each edge of cube is 6 centimeter. And this is the another cube which join face to face, and this is also 6 centimeter. Then resulting cuboid, the length of resulting cuboid is 12 centimeter, and width and height are the same at the cube. ठीक है. Given that length या side of cube is equal to 6 centimeter. Since 2 cube join face to face, therefore length of cuboid is equal to 12 centimeter. Width, this value is 12, and width of cuboid each side of cube is 6 centimeter, and height of cuboid is also 6 centimeter. Now volume of cuboid. Now volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into width into height. Length is 12, 6. So 12 into 36. Now multiply this value. 12 into 360 is 432, and this is the centimeter cube. This is the required answer. Now question number 12. Question number 12 say, if the total surface area of cube is 294 centimeter square. Now question number 12, total surface area given. Solution given that TSA of cube is equal to 294 centimeter square. That is, TSA of cube is equal to 6a cube is equal to 294. Now a cube is equal to 294 by 6. Now 6a square, now a square is equal to 49. The value of a is 7. Then find its volume. Now volume of cube is equal to a cube. Now 7 cube is equal to 343 centimeter cube. This is the answer. 243. Now in similar way, question number 13. Question number 13 is say, the dimension of a cinema hall are 100 meter, 50 meter and 80 meter. How many person can sit in hall if each person require 150 meter cube of air? कह रहा है कि एक हॉल है सिनेमा हॉल जिसका डायमेंशन है 100 मीटर, उसका लेंथ है, विड्थ है 50 मीटर एंड हाइट है 18 मीटर. तो उसमें कितने पर्सन बैठ सकते हैं, जबकि एक आदमी 150 मीटर क्यूब एयर कंटेन करता है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 सॉल्यूशन, given that length of cinema hall is equal to 100 meter and width of cinema hall is 50 meter and height is 18 meter. Now volume of air containing in hall is equal to 100 into 50 into 18 meter cube. Since one person requires air is equal to 150 meter cube. Therefore, number of person is equal to volume of air containing in hall upon air required by one person. Now this is the 100 into 50 into 80 is equal to 150. 3 times cancel हो गया, 3 6 time. Now 600 person can sit in a cinema hall. This is the required answer. Thank you class.